Welcome to Peaceful Minutes. Let's embark on a short journey to relieve stress and calm your mind. Find a comfortable seat. Feel the weight of your body grounding you. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And exhale slowly. With each breath, feel yourself relaxing. Now, let's do a quick body scan. Start at the top of your head. Notice any tension. Breathe into these areas and let go with each exhale. Move down to your neck, shoulders, arms, and hands. Release tension with each breath. Bring your focus to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest. Breathe in calm. Breathe out stress. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. With each breath, you become more relaxed. Imagine a place where you feel completely at peace. It could be a beach, a forest, or a special room. Visualize yourself there. Notice the colors, the sounds, the smells. Feel the peace of this place enveloping you. Repeat this affirmation silently. With each breath, I release stress. With each breath, I embrace calm. Feel the truth of these words. With each affirmation, you become more relaxed, more at peace. Gently bring your awareness back to the present. Wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes. Thank yourself for taking this time. Thank you for joining Peaceful Minutes. Remember, peace is just a few minutes away.